Do you hate it when your purse just keeps on flying in your face? Well, fret no more, because now you could try the new technique that was once used by NASA. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Whenever your purse is just feeling so naughty, just pick it up. Step 2. When you're halfway down the highway, just open up your door. Step 3. Just throw it out the door like there's no tomorrow. Then shut it, man! Shut it! Shut it! Now drive, man! Drive! 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 Dude, that was a nice party, man.
I know, right?
We'll see you later.
See you later.
Bye. Whoa, it sure is slippery out today. Whoa, that was a close one. Whoa! Help! Somebody, help me! Prepare to die!
You're gonna die with my flaming purse of death!
Prepare to die! Oh. 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 No! 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 Crap. Now for the final death move.